Welcome to our channel. Ever wondered what a Taylor Swift music-inspired meal would look like? Welcome culinary adventurers and music lovers alike to a feast for your senses. Today we're spinning a whimsical culinary tale inspired by the music of pop icon Taylor Swift. Picture this, a menu that mirrors the emotional depth, creativity, and sparkle of Taylor's music. Each dish is a delicious tribute to her chart-topping hits, translating the vibes of her songs into a tasty treat. We've got everything from love story lasagna, layered with emotion, to shake-it-off salad that'll help you dance your worries away. Expect a blank space baked potato that's anything but empty, and style stuffed bell peppers that are as Instagram-worthy as they are delicious. And of course, no meal is complete without dessert, so look forward to a delicate dessert parfait and a nod to her classic Red album with a vibrant velvet cake. Stay tuned as we delve into the first dish that embodies the romance of Taylor Swift's love story. First on our menu is a dish inspired by the timeless love anthem, Love Story. Picture a lasagna, not just any lasagna, but a love story lasagna. Now what makes this lasagna so special, you ask? Well, it's all about the layers. Much like the song, this lasagna is a symphony of flavors, layered to perfection, each layer representing a different chapter in the love story. Imagine the rich marinara sauce simmering on the stove, a medley of ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, and a hint of garlic. It's the foundation of our lasagna, much like the strong undercurrent of love that runs through the song. Next, we have the creamy bechamel sauce. This smooth, velvety sauce adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to our lasagna, just like the beautiful lyrics that add depth to the melody of love story. And let's not forget the star of the show, the gooey mozzarella cheese. Just as Taylor's voice weaves a captivating tale of romance and heartbreak, the mozzarella binds all our layers together, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that's simply irresistible. But we're not done yet. To make our love story lasagna truly shine, we're going to top it off with a sprinkle of edible glitter. Because let's face it, who doesn't love a little sparkle? This is our tribute to the magic that Taylor Swift brings to her music. Now imagine all these elements coming together, baked to golden perfection. Each bite is a burst of flavors, a delicious journey through the chapters of a love story. It's comfort food with a twist, a dish that's both familiar and exciting, just like the song that inspired it. Just like the song, this love story lasagna is a timeless classic that will leave you wanting more. It's a dish that tells a story, a dish that brings music to life in the most delicious way possible. So tie up your apron, turn up the music, and let's get cooking. After all, every great love story deserves a great meal. Our next dish is inspired by the energetic and positive vibes of Shake It Off song. Much like the song, our Shake It Off salad is all about embracing the good things in life and letting go of the negatives. It's a salad that's as vibrant and lively as Taylor Swift's catchy tune. Imagine this, you're in the kitchen, music playing, and you're mixing together a symphony of flavors. Fresh, crisp greens symbolize the refreshing and rejuvenating lyrics of the song. These are your base, the steady beat that keeps everything in harmony. Then we have juicy strawberries, their sweetness mimicking the infectious, upbeat melody of Shake It Off. They bring a burst of color and a touch of summer to our salad, much like how the song brightens up our mood. Candied pecans are added next, their crunch reminding us of the song's catchy rhythm. And just like the song's ability to surprise us with its catchy hooks and bridges, these pecans offer a surprising element of texture to our salad. Then, we crumble in some feta cheese, its tanginess representing the song's sassy and playful lyrics. It's a bit unexpected, but it works. Just like how Taylor's lyrics often surprise and delight us. The salad is then drizzled with a honey-lime vinaigrette. The sweetness of the honey and the zesty lime echo the song's empowering message of shaking off the haters and focusing on the positive. And then, we toss it all together, just like how we should shake off our worries and stress. The act of tossing the salad is a physical manifestation of the song's message, making this salad not just a meal, but an experience. This Shake It Off salad is a perfect dish to shake off any worries and enjoy a healthy meal. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and it's bursting with flavors, just like the song it's inspired by. So let's dig in and shake it off. Next up is a dish inspired by the catchy and relatable Blank Space song. Now you might be wondering how a song about a tumultuous love affair translates into a dish. Well, just like the song, these baked potatoes are filled with unexpected twists and turns. And just when you think you got them figured out, they surprise you with yet another layer of flavor. The foundation of this dish is, of course, the humble potato. We start by baking them until they're soft and fluffy on the inside with a slightly crispy skin. Then we hollow them out, creating a blank space, if you will, ready to be filled with all sorts of deliciousness. The first layer of filling is crispy bacon bits. They give the potatoes a smoky, salty kick, just like the first verse of the song that hooks you right in. Then we add a generous helping of sharp cheddar cheese, melting it under the broiler until it's gooey and bubbling, much like the intense emotions conveyed in the chorus. Next comes a dollop of sour cream, adding a cool, tangy contrast to the warmth of the cheese and bacon, similar to the song's bridge that provides a moment of reflection amidst the drama. Finally, we sprinkle on some freshly chopped chives, adding a burst of freshness and color, echoing the song's hopeful ending. Now here's the best part. As you dig into these loaded baked potatoes, you'll discover that each bite is a little different. Sometimes you'll get a mouthful of bacon and cheese, other times you'll taste the tangy sour cream first. It's a dish that keeps you guessing, much like the song's narrative. And there you have it, our blank space baked potatoes. They're a roller coaster of flavors, just like the song that inspired them. And trust me, with all these delicious ingredients, these potatoes definitely won't leave any blank spaces on your plate. Coming up next is a dish that's as stylish as Taylor Swift herself, style stuffed bell peppers. Now, if there's one thing we know about Taylor, it's that she's got style. And these stuffed bell peppers are no different. Just like Taylor's vibrant style, these peppers are bursting with color and personality. We're talking red, yellow, and green bell peppers, filled to the brim with a hearty mix of quinoa, black beans, corn, and diced tomatoes. Each ingredient brings a unique flavor and texture to the table, resulting in a dish that's as diverse and dynamic as Taylor's music. And let's not forget about the health benefits. You see, this dish isn't just a pretty face, it's packed with nutrients too. The bell peppers are rich in vitamins A and C, which are great for boosting your immune system and keeping your skin glowing. The quinoa is a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids. The black beans are packed with fiber and protein, while the corn adds a nice crunch and is a good source of antioxidants. And the tomatoes, they're full of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been linked to many health benefits. But wait, there's more. To top it all off, we're drizzling these beauties with a creamy avocado crema and sprinkling them with fresh cilantro. The avocado crema adds a richness that balances out the hearty filling, and the cilantro brings a burst of freshness that takes this dish to the next level. The result? A stylish and wholesome dish that's just as Instagram-worthy as it is delicious. Each bite is a symphony of flavors that will have your taste buds singing along to your favorite Taylor Swift tunes. And there you have it, folks, the style stuffed bell peppers, a dish that's as bold, vibrant, and stylish as Taylor herself. These style stuffed bell peppers are as Instagram-worthy as they are delicious. Now let's sweeten things up with a dessert inspired by the beautiful ballad Delicate. Just as Taylor Swift's Delicate captures the intricacies of a blossoming romance, our Delicate dessert parfait mirrors this with its layers of subtly sweet flavors. Each spoonful reveals a new layer, a new emotion, as if you're peeling back the layers of a heartfelt love story, one verse at a time. Let's start with the base. Picture a cloud of the creamiest vanilla bean yogurt, a touch tangy, a touch sweet. This forms the foundation of our parfait, the way the gentle strumming of a guitar sets the rhythm in Delicate. Next, we introduce a burst of color and sweetness with a layer of raspberry compote. The raspberries, simmered gently with a hint of sugar, are like the sweet whispers in the chorus, soft yet impactful. This crimson layer is a stark contrast to the white yogurt, just as the moments of vulnerability in Delicate stand out amidst the upbeat rhythm. Then, for a bit of crunch and a nod to Swift's country roots, we crumble in some homemade shortbread cookies. The cookies, with their buttery richness, bring a delightful contrast in texture and taste. They're like the unexpected turns in the song's narrative, adding depth and keeping you hooked. We repeat these layers, creating a symphony of flavors and textures in a glass until we've built a tower of deliciousness. The final touch? A sprinkle of edible flowers on top. They're the final chorus, the lingering notes, the delicate touch that ties it all together. This Delicate dessert parfait is more than just a dessert. It's a celebration of the emotions that Taylor Swift so beautifully encapsulates in her song. It's delicate, it's sweet, and it's a little bit unexpected. And there you have it, folks. This Delicate dessert parfait is a sweet ending to any meal, just like how Delicate is a sweet serenade to the ears. So, dig in, and let the flavors dance on your palate, as Swift's lyrics dance in your ears. It's a melody of sweetness, a harmony of flavors, a dessert that's truly inspired by music. We've finally reached the end of our Taylor Swift-inspired meal menu. What a journey it's been, just like the musical journey Taylor has taken us on throughout her career. We started with our love story lasagna, a dish as layered and emotive as the song itself. Each bite a testament to the enduring power of love, much like the song's timeless melody. From there, we moved to the Shake It Off salad, a vibrant and refreshing mix that encourages you to embrace the carefree spirit of Taylor's hit song. Our blank space baked potatoes were a delicious surprise, filled to the brim with mouth-watering toppings, proving that there's always more than meets the eye. Just like Taylor's songwriting, our style stuffed bell peppers were a colorful tribute to her fashionable flair and her ability to make even the simplest things look chic. The delicate dessert parfait was a sweet note that echoed the tender vulnerability in Taylor's song. Layer upon layer of sweet, creamy, and crunchy textures that meld into a harmonious symphony of flavors. And who could forget our red velvet cake, a classic tribute to one of Taylor's most iconic albums. Finally, we ended with the fearless fruit salad, a daring mix of exotic fruits that symbolizes the boldness of Taylor's music and her fearless approach to her career. But remember, this Taylor Swift music-inspired meal is about more than just food. Each dish has been carefully crafted to evoke a different aspect of Taylor's music, style, and persona. It's about the stories her songs tell, the emotions they stir up, and the memories they create. So, the next time you're hosting a dinner party or just cooking for yourself, why not put on your favorite Taylor Swift album and try out some of these dishes? You might just find that they taste even better when enjoyed to the soundtrack of her unforgettable melodies. Remember, this Taylor Swift music-inspired meal is about more than just food. It's about the stories, emotions, and memories that come with it. So, put on some Taylor Swift tunes and enjoy this whimsical feast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more music-inspired menu like this one.